everyone, it's Gina. The Super Bowl is coming up soon, and even if your favorite team is not in the game, it's still a fun event to celebrate, especially when you make creative, fun, festive football decorations. If you subscribe to my channel, you will see more of my creative designs and crafts that I upload once a week. And if you would like to give me suggestions, that would be great because I put them on my list of things to do. So here, let me show you how to make some great Super Bowl fun football decorations. So let's get started. Watching my video on how to make fun and festive football decorations. If you like my video, please subscribe and click like down below. I post new things every week on how to create more of my original designs and crafts. Till next time, bye!